But we also need to carefully examine the surrounding region and forge strong alliances. And I want to emphasize minorities. In the space where we live, the Kurdish people, a large nation of about 40 million, one of the largest nations in the world, perhaps the largest in the world, without political independence, is a natural ally of ours. And it is a national minority in 4 different countries. In 2 of them, he enjoys autonomy in Iraq de facto, Syria de facto, in Iraq also, de jure in the Iraqi constitution. And he is a victim of oppression and aggression from Iran and Turkey. We need to reach out to him and strengthen ties with him. And this also has political and security aspects. I also follow the Druze minority in neighboring countries, in Syria and Lebanon. And we have a courageous alliance with the Druze citizens of Israel. We need to look at the developments in this context and understand that in a region where we will always be a minority, natural alliances can be formed with other minorities.